Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, right? It's been a while. Forgive me. It's they say that see, you know, my channel means that this mountain is one that I don't allow us to see the other mountain. I'm very sorry, guys. Anyways, if you're new here, my name is Tofunmi and I'm the creative director House of AWELEWA. So sharp straight to business. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. So guys, if you're not subscribed, yes, okay, good, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my content, drop comment, let me know what you want to see on this channel. So without further ado, what I'm going to be doing today is show you guys how to do this headband. However, I'm going to be doing it with Asooke this time around, but the method I'm going to be teaching with this Asooke is a method that you can use to make something like this. I made this with velvet for an ashwebi, and I'm going to be doing this with Asooke. I just want to show you guys how it's going to look like. I've had this Asooke before. As you can see, it's pre-sewn, but I pieces it into like 3 pieces. So what I'm going to be doing is, because since 2017 that I've used this Asooke, this gele, I have not worn it since then, and I just feel like I should just use it for this practical. Maybe that would ginger me to, use it. Who has time to be tying gele these days? So guys, without further ado, let's get right into it. What you're going to be needing is your fabric. Any fabric of your choice will do. So this is my fabric, the Asooke. I have chalk and a marker. I have scissors and I have blade in case I'm going to be needing to loosen anything, and of course I have my tape measure. So guys, let's get right into it. Okay, so guys, without further ado, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be folding for the biggest part of the for the scrunchy part of the headband. I'm going to be folding into 2 like this. I folded into 2, can you see? Then the length is 40 divided by 2 because we folded into 2. It's going to give us 20 inches. I'm going to add just 1 extra inch for sewing allowance. That is 21 inches. Let me use fabric marker so that it's can be more bold. 21 inches. Now the width, normally for the one on my head I used 7 inches, but because I want this one to be more elaborate, you know, for party and O1 best, I want it to look more elaborate, so I'm going to be using 10 inches. I hope you guys can see 10 inches like this, 10 inches like this, all the way down. It's 10 inches all the way. Sorry about that. 10 inches. 10 inches. And now that we have our 10 inches, let's just cut it out. So that's it. We have 42 inches by 10 inches. So I'm going to put that aside separately. Now the next one I'm going to be cutting is going to be the lining for this one that we just cut. So the lining is going to be 14 inches by 3 inches. I don't think there's a need to fold. 14 inches shouldn't be that big to cut. So let's do 14 inches like this. Can you guys see? 14 inches by 3 inches. 3 inches, 3 inches all the way, and then I'm going to measure 14 here also, just to make sure that it's on a straight line. So let's trim it out. Okay, so that's it for this scrunchy part. This is going to be the lining for this. So let's add on to the band, to the elastic band at the back. So guys, for the band part, we are going to be measuring 15 inches by 3.5 inches. So 15 inches. This place is not straight, so I'll just trim it first, so I will end up measuring rubbish. So 15 inches, 15, 15, by 3.5 inches, but I'm going to add half just for the joining allowance. So I'm going to do it by 4 inches. 4 inches. 4 inches. 4 inches. 4 inches. So what we have here like this is 15 inches by 4 inches. So let's cut. So here is it, 15 inches by 4 inches. That's what we have here. So we are going to head over to the machine. I say head over to the machine now and stitch every piece together. If you've not subscribed, this is your third best time to subscribe, because what are you waiting for? All right guys, let's move to the machine. So guys, let's get to the sewing. First, we are going to turn out all the sides, and that's what I'm about to do. So you fold into two. You guys know how turning works, and then we turn it out. So now that we've turned it out, I hope you guys can see very well. Let me press it down. So now that we've turned it out, this is what we have. So I'm going to just go ahead and pull it out so that you guys can see. So now that I've turned my now that I've turned everything out, this is the long one, of course. This is the one, the 14 inches, and this is the 15 inches for the band. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and pass it in through this one. Just as we said, it's a lining. I'm going to be using a pin to do that, or pins, because I'll still be needing other pins to secure it. So I'm going to put it in like this, and then use a pin to secure it at this edge, or use pins to secure it at this edge. If you guys can see, use pins to secure it at this edge, and then I trace my pin and start bringing it out. Yaga. So this is what we have. This on this edge, then we'll release, or we'll secure the pins, secure with pins again, and then go ahead to deal with the band. So we'll secure with pins again. But as you guys can see, we already have the effects that we want it to have. It's already all ashwebish. Let me just raise the camera up a bit. It's already all ashwebish. So now, for the band, I'm going to be using this wide elastic band. I'm going to be using this wide elastic band. I'm going to be measuring 8 inches. 8. Just 8. Mary. This is 8 inches. And I'll pass in the 8 inches through this also. So go again with the pins. And then pass it through this one. Yes, so this is what we have now. I'm going to use pins to secure these edges also. Pins. This is why as a tailor you should always have pins around you. And for that tip I decided I deserve a subscriber again tabo. So now that we've done this and we've done this, what we are going to do now is to hold this place like this and then we'll sew across it. Let me show you guys what I did. So what I did is this is one with the elastic. I put it in the middle like this, then I folded this in and folded this in. So I'm going to remove the pins so that it doesn't collide with my machine. There are pins on this one also. Okay, can I move it from this place? And then we go. Yes, so we secured one edge like that. And then we'll come over to the other edge also and do the same thing. Same thing at the other edge also. Put this in the middle and then fold. Put this in the middle and then fold over it like this and like this. So we'll go again. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all. So our scrunchy hairband is done. It's done. Just take a look at this Asooke beauty. Just look at. So I'm going to wear it, guys, and show you guys how it looks on me because of one more fine dye.